And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video, you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. What's up, my YouTube friends, viewer subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger taste and test video. See, I had to go get it. So, what I will be trying right now is Dairy Queen's new caramel toffee cookie blizzard. You know, I almost was about to say McFlurry. So, like I said, literally one video ago, they dropped their new fall beverages, and I tried the maple cookie shake already. Now, this is a caramel toffee. There we go. This is a caramel toffee cookie blizzard. I almost said McFlurry again. So here we go. Just now I was like, wait, this melting just a little bit? That's why I had to wipe it around for a bit there. It always amazed me just how, you get it and it's so like it's frozen, but by the time you drive, say around 5 minutes, it starts melting. So we will be trying it and we will be ranking it just to see how it is. And you guys that's been watching me for a while now, no, I'm not a huge fan of caramel, but some caramel has surprised me before. So we will be trying it and we will be ranking it just to see how it is. Look at it. Hopefully you guys can see. Hmm. Hopefully you guys can see. Caramel toffee cookie blizzard. Okay, here we go. You can taste the toffee now. Man, I think they dose all the caramel in there. Mm. It's very weird. Oh. Okay, I don't think I need to try anymore. This, I will give this, I would say 5.5 out of 10. Like, toffee and caramel? I don't know. I wasn't feeling this one. Mm. This is the first time I've tried Blizzard from Dairy Queen, and I didn't enjoy it. I'm guessing it's like probably just like the flavor, but like caramel toffee. But like, bro, when I saw the name, I was like, I wonder how that's gonna be. But I was like, well, I'm a content creator and I'm always trying stuff, so might as well try just to try it. I was like, I already got the shake, the new shake, the maple cookie shake. So I was like, might as well get the Blizzard too just to see how it is because it's new. But I don't know. This one, mm-mm. I don't like this one at all. Bro, this is the first time in a long time I've tried something and I actually said it on camera that I don't like it. To me, I don't think caramel and I don't think caramel and toffee goes well together. Maybe because I'm not like a fan of toffee or whatnot. But Maybe some people who love caramel and they love toffee, maybe they will enjoy this, but me, no, no. It was actually it was actually weird to me. Give me a weird aftertaste. That's why you guys hear me clear my throat. Wow, I sound disappointed. I can't even feel the disappointment because I was like, I hear the disappointment in my voice, and you guys watching me, you guys can probably see the disappointment. But this is the thing of this is the thing when like I'm not even making no sense. This is how it is when you try stuff. Sometimes you try things and it's like sometimes it's amazing, sometimes it's not. This time it is not. And guess what? It's caramel. For everybody that's been watching me for a while now, always hear me say caramel is trash. But now, I think it's because of the toffee. I think the toffee sort of give it like a different taste. Because like I've had things with caramel and it was amazing. But I'm guessing I think the toffee is what's bothering me. Because I'm guessing the toffee is like this little brown thing there. I can feel the disappointment even in my face. But it is limited edition. And do I recommend it? Yes. Try it and let me know how disappointed you are. Bro, ever since I took the first couple of bites, I'm not making no sense. This literally throws me off. I'm not gonna lie. It's crazy. So try it and let me know what exactly you think. I think it is complete. Like I'm guessing it's a toffee with a caramel. So it's just a whole mess. And the funniest thing is, just from me trying things, I always like look at the name and I judge the name off the product. And when I was going there and I saw this, I was like, well, let me try it still. Because I like to just when places come out with things, I like to try everything, and then just to see how it is. Because I'm like that. As soon as places come out with things, I'm like, okay, I get it. Even if it's trash, I like to get it to try it just to see how it is. But this is one of those days where it's like, oh, so you can't believe it. Toffee. Well, like I said, it's limited edition, so make sure you try it before it's gone and let me know what you think of it. Because to me, I didn't enjoy it. Bro, I took like how many bites? Like 4 or 5? And it's like, no, that's it. I don't even need to take more bites just to conclude my decision. But yeah. So this is me trying Dairy Queen's Caramel Toffee Cookie Blizzard. And yeah, to me it wasn't up there. Like it's okay. I'm not saying it's like completely trash, but I'm saying the flavor of it, I don't know, it didn't sync with me or amaze me. But it is what it is. Life goes on. So there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Remember, try it and let me know what you think. It's limited edition because it's seasonal. It's like a fall drink. So let me know what exactly you think of it. So thank you for watching. Go enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.